Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to be showing you how to change the time signature of your tracks and music in GarageBand. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do guys is go ahead and open up the official GarageBand application on your mobile phone if you've not already. If you do not have the application, just go to the App Store and download it. And after opening it up, you'll be greeted by this main page right here, which is the home page where we can find all the instruments we can play. As you can see, I have my audio recorder right here and so on. So let's go ahead and see how to get started with changing the time signature of our tracks. The first thing I'm going to do is open up the audio recorder right here, which is going to open up this recording menu where now I can get started with opening the mixing mode by going right here in the upper left corner, click on edit mode. That's going to open up all my tracks that I have right here. So now let's say I want to change the time signature for all the tracks that I have right here. As you can see, I have my drums, keyboard, audio recorder, and so on. All I have to do is just go right here into the upper right corner. In the upper right corner, click on the settings icon. That's going to open up this new menu. And guys, you can see one of the options in this menu is going to be time signature. So what you want to do is click on time signature and select what kind of time signature you want. You have 4 out of 4, 3 or 4, or 6 out of 8. And you can select any of the options right here. After selecting it, just exit out the menu and it's going to be automatically applied to your tracks, and now you can use the new time signature. But yeah guys, basically that is how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So you guys, thanks for watching, take care and bye.